Hello to all your students. In this video, we will be discussing about weighted mean. Now, as you can see on the screen, there are two kids who are playing seesaw, isn't it? So, they are able to play seesaw very easily because both have got almost similar weight. Okay, so when you take mean of their weight, it may be almost similar. One may be, just for example, 24 kgs, second may be 26 kgs, so their mean will be 25 kg. Okay, so they are able to play seesaw easily because both have got almost similar weight. But instead of this, suppose one have got less weight and another person have got a higher weight, then what will happen? Yes, that lean person may fly away, isn't it? Why? Because the weight of the heavier person will be more. Okay, maybe the weight of the heavier person was 4 times more than that of the lean person. Okay, so this is how come into your consideration your weighted mean. The weight is more, so that's why both the person cannot play seesaw easily. If the weights were similar, both are heavy or both are very lean, then they can play seesaw easily. But when one person is very much fat and another person is very much lean, then they cannot play seesaw because the weight of the heavier person will be more. So weightage will be given more to the heavier person. Why? Because weight is more, isn't it? So I think you got some gross idea regarding weighted mean. Weighted mean is an average computed by giving different weights to some of the individual values. Okay, so some, there may be a group of value, but few values are given more weightage as compared to another value. Okay, like for example, in your family, okay, you people might be having siblings, you people have a father and mother, but who is given more weightage, whose talk is given more weightage? Okay, father, isn't it? You people will be saying, but the father, if he'll say something, that has to be done. Okay, because more weightage will be given to father. Okay, so similarly over here, now if all the weights are equal, then the weighted mean is the same as that of the arithmetic mean. Okay, like our first example, two kids of 25 kgs or 24 or 26 kgs, people, they were playing seesaw, the weight is same, so we can calculate their arithmetic mean. But if the weightage is different, then we need to take into consideration the weighted mean. Now this is the formula for weighted mean. X bar W, here W subscript is there for weighted mean. Okay, is equal to summation of Wx divided by summation of W. We'll have one example and you'll get to know. A writer sends an invoice for work done. She wrote 5 blog pages for $40, 2 ads for $60, and 1 instruction manual for $100. On average, how much did the writer makes per project? Okay, so we need to calculate that in by doing one project on an average, on one, for one project, how much she will be getting money. So first of all, we'll make a graph. X is for the amount 40, 60, 100. Okay, and W is the work, the weight. Okay, so she is getting $40 for doing 5 projects, $60 for doing 2 projects, and $100 for one project. Okay, now you can see in this formula, x bar W equals to summation of Wx. So we need to multiply W with x, so we need to make one more column of Wx, and you need to multiply x value with W value. Okay, and complementary, like she was doing 5 blocks for $40, so you need to multiply 40 with 5. So 40 multiplied by 5 is 200, 60 multiplied by 2 is 120, and 100 multiplied by 1 will be 100. Okay, next in the formula, as you can see, in the denominator we have got summation of W, so you need to add all this W value, that is 5 plus 2 plus 1, so you will get summation of W, that is 8. Similarly, we want in from the formula itself, you can see there is summation of Wx, so you need to add 200 plus 120 plus 100, so summation of Wx you will get 420. Now you use this formula x bar w equals to summation of wx divided by summation of w. Keep all the values. Summation wx is 420 divided by summation of w is 8. You do the division using the calculator and you will get the value 52.5. okay, so this is the answer. So on an average the writer is getting $52.5 for single project. okay, so this is how we'll do calculation. Next, one more example you will say, there is a run for student of the year. So here you can see we have got three students, Rahul, Anjali and Tina. okay, so activities are studies, dance and sports. So studies is given weightage of 2, dance is given weightage of 3 and sports is given a maximum weightage of 5. Now Rahul in studies, means out of 100 Rahul is scoring in studies 70, in dance 73 and in sports 60. Anjali, she is scoring in studies 40, in dance 50 and in sports 90. Tina, she is scoring in studies 50, in dance 60 and in sports 70. So according to the weightage, who will be getting the student of the year award, you need to check. Fine. Now over here W1 will be your studies, that is given to the studies, that is W1 equals to 2, W2 will be 3 and W3 will be 5. okay, now this formula, as you can see, we can rewrite it in this manner. X bar W equals to W1 x1 plus W2 x2 plus W3 into x3 plus so on up to Wn into xn divided by W1 plus W2 plus W3 so on up to Wn. okay, now over here this x1 means W1, W2 and W3, so you people understood, that is weightage given for studies, dance and sports. Now x1, x2, x3 means uh, x1 will be given for studies, like x1 of Rahul is 70, x1 of Anjali is 40, x1 of Tina is 50. Similarly x2 is given for dance, x2 of Rahul is 73, x2 of Anjali is 50 and x2 of Tina is 60. Similarly x3 is given for sports, x3 of Rahul is 60, x3 of Anjali is 90 and x3 of Tina is 70. okay, now in this manner you need to calculate the weighted mean of each student of Rahul differently, then Anjali separately, then Tina separately. okay, so we'll start with x bar W of Rahul. okay, now our W1 weight 1 is 2. okay, and x1 of Rahul is 70 plus x2 is 3 into x2 of Rahul is 73 plus W3 is 5 and x3 of Rahul is 60. okay, divided by W1 plus W2 plus W3, that is 2 plus 3 plus 5. okay, now solve it. 2 into 70 is 140 plus 3 into 73 is 219 plus 5 into 60 is 300 divided by 2 plus 3 plus 5, that is 10. Now solve this. 140 plus 219 plus 300, it will be 659 divided by 10, that is 65.9. okay, so weighted mean of Rahul we got as 65.9. okay, now here we have taken into consideration all the three activities with different weights, like studies got 2 weight, dance got 3 weight and sports 5. okay, now similarly you need to calculate the weighted mean for Anjali. okay, so W1 is 2, x1 of Anjali is 40, W2 is 3, x2 of Anjali is 50 plus W3 is 5 into x3 of Anjali is 90 divided by W1 plus W2 plus W3, that is 2 plus 3 plus 5. Now solve this. 2 into 40 is 80 plus 3 into 50 is 150 plus 5 into 90 is 450 divided by 10. Now you need to add all. 80 plus 150 plus 450, you will get 680 divided by 10, so 68. Weighted mean of Anjali is 68. It is more than Rahul. Next, weighted mean of Tina. W1 is 2 multiplied by x1 of Tina is 50, plus W2 is 3 into x2 of Tina is 60 plus W3 is 5 into x3 of Tina is 70 divided by 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equals to 2 into 50 is 100 plus 3 into 60 is 180 plus 5 into 70 is 35 the whole divided by 10. Now add all 100 plus 180 plus 350, you will get 630 divided by 10, that is 63. So weighted mean of Tina is 63. Now we have got all these values. Weighted mean of Rahul is 65.9, weighted mean of Anjali is 68 and weighted mean of Tina is 63. Now when you compare all these three, who will get the best student award? Yes, obviously Anjali. Okay, so this is how we'll calculate the weighted mean. I hope you understood all these things. So we are done with simple mean and weighted mean. In my next video we'll be discussing about geometric mean. I hope you will found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.